So I'm out here testing this helmet. Sobrang comfortable niya. Good materials yung ginamit. It doesn't feel like parang cheap plastic or foam yung ginamit sa helmet na to. So it really brings out the quality kung ano yung brand and kung ano yung gawa ni LS2. Sobrang quality ng product overall. When it comes to the visor naman, as you can see, dark siya. Pero pag nandito ka na sa loob, pag suot mo na yung helmet, it's not that dark. Even kanina dumaan ako sa tunnel na walang ilaw, hindi ko kailangan tanggalin or iangat yung visor ko just to see where I'm going. So this is good. Super clear nung lens niya, and it feels very durable when talaga. It can protect you from the elements, which is good. Na you feel safe and comfortable inside the helmet. Now also yung feature niya na may ganito, so you can breathe easily, and meron din siya dito sa taas. So like if it gets too hot, you know na may exit point yung heat, and in a way it cools you off, and mas maganda yung experience sa loob ng helmet itself. Also right now as I'm talking, walang moist or fog na nabubuo sa loob ng lens, which is also good kasi na-experience ko siya dun sa Secna windstorm helmet ko. Whenever I talk or breathe heavily, especially sa warm and humid weather, nagmo-moist yung lens mo. So with the LS2 helmet, you don't feel that, or you don't experience that kind of or you don't experience na mag-moist yung lens mo from the inside. So it's really good and safe rin. I haven't tried it pagka umuulan though, but I can do that siguro when I get the chance. But ngayon, the weather is humid and warm, so good experience yung sa lens na hindi nagmo-moist. Let's check on the things that I think needs improvement. Nahirapan lang ako minsan pag inaangat na yung lens. Siguro sobrang tigas pa. Baka kailangan pa i-break in ng mas matagal para medyo lumambot. But so far, that's the only problem that I'm experiencing with this helmet. One of our supporters actually messaged me the other night, and he told me that he wanted to give me something, and nagulat ako kasi yung something na pala na iyon is it's this helmet. And na-mention niya na he just loves what we're doing right now. Sobrang na-enjoy na yung chill ride. He gave me this helmet. I was super thankful and shocked na may ganong klaseng suporta tayo makakuha. It's too early for me to get this kind of stuff kasi we're a small channel lang, hindi naman ito yung expectation, yung naging goal ko lang talaga dito is just to share my passion and influence my son and my family and my friends with the pledge that I'm doing, and that's enough for me to go out and do something bigger than motovlogging. Real talk lang na sobrang nakakatuwa na may nagbigay ng helmet sa atin. I wasn't expecting it. Hindi siya planned. Wala yun sa mindset ko. Hindi yun yung goal ko for this motovlog series. I just wanted to enjoy and share it and continue on having that passion and doing something for our environment or for our earth and influence the majority of the people who's watching this. Sobrang salamat for doing this. He doesn't want to be mentioned, ayaw niyang pangalanan ko siya. So let's just say he's a cool guy. Sobrang awesome niya for doing this, and you know, I can't refuse that. That's too much. Like, sobrang natunaw yung puso ko. Tunaw na tunaw. Parang ice cream sa ilalim ng init ng araw. Sa lahat ng natulong mo sa akin, sobrang salamat. Like, alam naman natin we can't explain everything here in this vlog. You know, I don't just want to thank him for doing this, but yung patuloy na nanonood, yung mga nag-subscribe, yung family and friends ko na sumusuporta. So, sa lahat ng sumusuporta, yun, super thankful ako. Hindi ko yung na-expect na like ganito yung mangyayari. It started na parang okay lang na konti yung subscribers, o okay lang na konti yung nanonood. Sana lang yun, marami tayong ma-inspire. Marami tayong ma-inspire. Marami tayong ma-inspire while doing this. So, sa mga nagme-message, alam nyo na like super thankful ako. Minsan, mas marami yung biro kaysa sa real talk. Pero ito, sobrang real talk to. So, super thank you sa lahat ng patuloy na sumusuporta. Super thankful sa lahat ng patuloy na sumusunod. Super thankful ako sa lahat na patuloy na nag-share. Every one of you who's watching this is part of my journey. I'm just making the most out of it. I just want to spread some positive vibes, and hopefully I'm doing this the right way. Kung paano ako mag-send ng message about, you know, the pledge. Hopefully nagagawa ko siya ng tama. We're super open naman for any comments or feedbacks or any suggestions. Lahat ng pwede niyong masabi, masama, maganda. Okay yun. Lagi ko sinasabi na feedback is a gift. So, whether pangit, maganda, feedback pa rin yan. It's up to you if you want to do something with that feedback. If you want to continue on improving, you know, you have to do something about it. Wala namang permanent or sa isang try pa lang magaling na agad. So, it is a learning process, especially for me and, you know, for my craft. I just want to give a shout out talaga sa nagbigay ng helmet. And shout out sa lahat ng nanonood pa. So guys, thank you. Hindi ko ma-explain ng maayos, pero sana nasabi ko ng tama. Sana yung mga words na ginamit ko okay. So patuloy lang kayo manood. Thank you.